Congratulations! You've completed the concepts of simple, friends, and relatives. You're almost there. Now you're ready to combine friends and relatives. It is this combination that we refer to as mix. When your friend can't help you, and neither can your relative, it is time to use both of them together. We will learn mix plus and mix minus. But first, mix plus. Welcome to mix plus. As I mentioned before, this concept mixes friends and relatives. We will move beads on both columns, the 1s and 10s, and of course, learn new formulas. These formulas help us to learn mix, but really also tell our fingers what to do. This is key. Just as we have with other concepts, we will say our formulas and then we will go to our abacus and learn the bead movements and say formulas as we move our beads. Listen to this part carefully. This is important. The possibility of using mix plus will occur only when we are trying to add a 6, 7, 8, or 9 to our problem. So that's nice. Let me repeat that. The only time you may need to use mix plus will be when you are trying to add a 6, 7, 8, or 9 and cannot use friends or relatives by themselves. Before we start, let's review our friends and relatives because this will help. For mix plus, we combine our -5 friends and our +10 relatives. First, our -5 friends. Let's say them as they pop up on the screen, just like we did before. Ready? -1 equals +4 minus 5 up together at the same time. -2 equals +3 minus 5 up together at the same time. -3 equals +2 minus 5 up together at the same time. -4 equals +1 minus 5 up together at the same time. Now, let's review our formulas for relatives +6 through +9. As they appear on the screen, go ahead and say them out loud. Ready? +6 equals -4, then +10. +7 equals -3, then +10. +8 equals -2, then +10. +9 equals -1, then +10. Now we are ready to see how we combine these into our new formulas for mix. Say them as they appear on your screen, and we will explain them in detail in a few minutes. Ready? +6 equals 6 up, then +10. +7 equals 7 up, then +10. +8 equals 8 up, then +10. +9 equals 9 up, then +10. So go ahead, you can pause if you need to, and go over these a couple of times, and then start up again, and we will explain how you are actually changing the value on your abacus. Which beads are you moving and what are you really adding and subtracting? Now, let's look at what you're really doing with each formula. Our first example, +6 mix. When we use the formula 6 up, then +10, we are doing this. +6 equals +1 minus 5, which is what you're doing when you're pushing the 6 up. You're adding 1 and subtracting 5. Then you're adding 10. So adding the 1 bead, subtracting 5 means we've actually first subtracted 4, but to make sure we added 6, we must remember to complete the last part of the formula, then +10, which means we've added a total of 6. This is how they are mixed together. We have to remember to complete both movements. Next, when we use +7 mix formula, we are doing this. +7 equals +2 minus 5 that you're moving up, then adding 10. So when we say 7 up, we're really adding 2 beads and subtracting the 5, right? This means we have just subtracted 3, but our problem has asked us to add 7. So once we complete the second half of the formula, then +10, we will have completed the task our question has asked us to do. We've added a total of 7. We must remember to complete both movements. Let's move on to +8. When we use +8 mix, we are doing this. +8 equals +3 minus 5, then adding 10. We are really adding 3 beads, subtracting the 5, we move it up, which leaves us having only subtracted 2. but the problem wants us to add a total of 8. So we must complete the plus 10, then plus 10, the second half of the formula. This makes sure we've added a total of 8. Last one, plus 9 equals plus 4 minus 5, then add 10. This is our mix plus 9 formula. We are really adding 4 beads, subtracting the 5, which means at this point we've only subtracted the value of 1. If we complete the second part of the formula, the then add 10, we have added our total of 9. So subtracting a total of 1, but adding back the 10 means we've added 9. So let's look at some sample problems where we need to use mix plus. Now remember, there will be times we'll have to decide between do we use relatives or do we need to use mix, but these problems are already set to where we have to use mix. So we'll walk through the other and ask ourselves questions when we go through the longer problems so we understand when it's appropriate to use either. Okay, 5 plus 6. Plus 5, finger down, plus 6. 6 up, then plus 10. Answer? 11. Clear. Next one, 6 plus 6. Plus 6 pull together at the same time. Plus 6, 6 up, then plus 10. Answer, 12. Clear. 8 plus 6. Plus 8 pull together at the same time. Plus 6, 6 up, then plus 10. Answer, 14. Clear. 5 plus 7. Plus 5, finger down, plus 7. 7 up, then plus 10. Answer, 12. Clear. 7 plus 7. Ready? Plus 7, pull together at the same time, and plus 7, 7 up, then plus 10. Answer, 14. Clear. 6 plus 8. Plus 6 pull together at the same time, and plus 8, 8 up, then plus 10. 5 plus 9. Plus 5, finger down, plus 9, 9 up, then plus 10. You see how easy it is to actually move the beads? So just make sure you're supposed to use mix as opposed to relatives. And when you are, all you do for mix plus is say the number up, then plus 10. Now, let's work on some longer problems. We will complete quite a few of these because it gives us a chance to better understand when we use relatives and when we use mix. Stop the program at any point along the way if you want to go back and listen again to what I've said, or catch the movement again, or stop and try and guess on your own. Feel free to do any of those. Be sure that you understand which formulas to use at what point, and go back and review anywhere along the way to fill yourself in. Okay, first problem. 3 plus 4 plus 6 minus 4. All right, plus 3, thumb up. Plus 4, can we do simple? No, don't have enough beads. But can we do friends? Yes. Formula for plus 4 friends is plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Plus 6. Okay. Can we do relatives? Minus 4 then plus 10? No. So we have to do mix. And plus 6 mixes 6 up, then plus 10. Next number, minus 4. Minus 4, can we do simple? No. Can we do friends? No. Our 5 is already away from the beam there. Can we do our relatives? Minus 6, then no, we can't do that. So we do our minus 10 relatives. Minus 10, then plus 6. What is our answer? 9. Good, clear. Next question, 7 plus 7 minus 5 plus 2. All right, plus 7, pull together at the same time. Plus 7, can we do relatives minus 3 then plus 10? No, we need to do a mix. So we do 7 up, then plus 10. Now, minus 5. Can we do minus 5 simple? No, we've already moved the 5 away from the beam. So we use our minus 10 relatives. Minus 10, then plus 5. All right, last number, plus 2. We have to use our relatives. we do minus 8, then plus 10. Our answer, 11. Okay, clear. Next one, 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. All right, plus 9 pull together at the same time. Plus 8, we can use relatives, minus 2, then plus 10. Plus 7, can we do relatives again, minus 3, then plus 10? No, so we have to do mix. 7 up, then plus 10. Now, plus 6, can we do regular relatives? Yes, because we can do minus 4, then plus 10. Our answer, 30. Clear. All right, next problem. 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Ready? Plus 2, thumb up. Plus 5, finger down. Plus 7, can we do relatives? Minus 3, then plus 10? No, we have to do mix. 7 up, then plus 10. Now, plus 9. Do we have enough to do relatives? Yes. Minus 1, then plus 10. Our answer, 23. Clear. Next question. 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6. All right, plus 9 pull together at the same time. Plus 4. Can we do relatives? Minus 6, then plus 10? Yes. Minus 6, then plus 10. Now, plus 4. Can we do simple? No. Can we do friends? Yes. Friends plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Plus 6. Can we do relatives minus 4, then plus 10? No. So we have to do mix. 6 up, then plus 10. Our answer, 23. Clear. Next problem, 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2. All right, plus 4, thumb up, plus 3. Friends, plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time. Plus 6, can we do relatives minus 4, then plus 10? No, we have to do mix plus 6. 6 up, then plus 10. Now, plus 2. Can we do plus 2 simple? No, but we can do plus 2 friends, which is plus 5 minus 3 down together at the same time. Our answer, 15. Clear. All right, next question. 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7. Plus 3, thumb up. Plus 8, minus 2, then plus 10. Plus 6, pull together at the same time. And plus 7, can we do minus 3, then plus 10? No, we have to do a mix. So 7 up, then plus 10. Answer, 24. Clear. Next problem, 8 plus 8 minus 9 plus 6. Plus 8, pull together. Plus 8, can we do relatives minus 2, then plus 10? Yes, minus 2, then plus 10. Minus 9, can we do push apart? No. Can we do minus 9 relatives, minus 10, then plus 1? Yes, we can. Minus 10, then plus 1. Plus 6. Can we do minus 4, then plus 10? No, we have to do mix plus 6, which is 6 up, then plus 10. Our answer, 13. Clear. 3 plus 4 plus 7 minus 4. Plus 3, thumb up. Plus 4, we can use our friends formula, plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Plus 7, can we do minus 3, then plus 10? No, we have to do plus 7 mix, which is 7 up, then plus 10. Now, minus 4. This is an easy one. We can use simple, just simply minus 4, finger down. Our answer, 10. All right. Let me remind you before you practice this concept on your own that mix plus will occur only when you are trying to add a plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, or a plus 9, and friends and relatives by themselves will not work. That is it for Mix Plus. Remember, it will always help you to go back at the beginning of the lesson and review it as many times as needed to ensure you understand the concept and know how to move your beads. Pause and practice.